Puck ahead. Crosby settles it down with the glove. Throws it behind the net. Rust can't get a stick on it. Pettersson. Shot from the point. Drilled wide. Crosby off the back wall. And now scores. Missed on the first attempt to come up with a puck. Got it a second time. And banks it off Elvis Merzlikins below the goal line, and Pittsburgh is on the board.
Everything is situated perfectly here, but the puck's going to end up on Chris Letang's stick. Right there, and as he just unloads that puck with speed, Crosby gets it back. That's a bouncing puck that gets chopped at by Voronkov right in front. And as he misses it, you can see that play by Pettersson. Crosby's got the worst angle he could be at, too. I mean, this is just hanging out in the right area and then taking a swipe at the puck, and it's top shelf.
Here, Jackets break it up. Down the wing with speed. Moving in, Marchenko walks to the front of the net, backhands and scores! What a beauty! Marchenko with a terrific individual effort, and we're tied at 1.
Great job by the Blue Jackets defender, Provorov standing up. Keep an eye on Fantilli, 11. He's going. That backs off the defender just enough. And I think Marchenko got a little lucky. That puck stuck with him right here. Got to have a bounce once in a while, and then he finishes it off. And we're tied up here in Columbus.
Marchenko with his 4th goal. Penguins send it back deep. In front, backhanded. Elvis makes the save. It bounces through the goal mouth. And the Jackets defend, helping out their goaltender there with a big rebound left in front.
For the Penguins, they've really been raving about them. Here they showed a little flex as they had the offensive zone time, tracking down pucks.
Left wing, looking at the goal line. Jackets will swing it around the wall. Up high is Goodbranson. Goodbranson. Chinakhov scores! Off the pad of Jarry and into the net with 31 seconds left. Chinakhov with his first of the season and the first in a long time.
Got that shot going, and the Blue Jackets did a nice job of keeping pucks in the zone. Goodbranson here again. He's going to be a factor. He keeps that puck on the weak side wall. How many times have we seen this play? As he gets it down to Chinakhov, Chinakhov rolls out. Way too much time and space if you're the Penguins. He rolls out, he picks his spot, and it's perfect with Boone Jenner.
Provorov will gather it up, settles it down, circles the net, chips it off the wall. Rust steps into him. Gensel able to keep it in. Shot there, Raquel, loose puck, and Elvis in the blue paint will hold.
An intense play. You can see Raquel here. Just whips it in on Elvis. He's got to track that puck, and there's blue jerseys in front.
Out of the zone, good row. Reed in the slot. Wristed high and wide. Oh, Sillinger thought he had it, banking it off. Tristan Jarry, somehow that puck stayed out of the net.
That was behind Jarry. It just someone collected that with their stick.
Another attempt here is blocked.
Anxious moments here. This puck gets in around Jarry. There's that shot that goes wide, and then it's Sillinger. How about Bemstrom? Bemstrom sees it there. He tries to get his stick on it. He just misses it.
Backhand pass in front, and Gensel chipped it high. Penguins moving that puck around the Jackets zone again. Here from the slot. Backhanded and scores! Hinostroza getting a stick on it. May have been deflected again. That's Gensel. But the Penguins have tied it up.
How about that pass by Crosby? He just put on a clinic this whole shift. Backhand pass earlier over to Letang. Here he is on recovering that puck. He's late in the shift, but he knows they're buzzing. And as he gets his puck to the middle of the ice, look who cleans it up, Jake Gensel.
Blue Jackets. Laine coming quickly. Laine moves in. And a big stop there by Jarry. He was moving one way, got the pad around for sure.
I think they really embrace being in that atmosphere than that at Madison Square Garden.
Shot, save, Merzlikins from the slot. A penalty upcoming here.
The power play needs to get something going here for this team. And it's going to be Eller on Johnny Gaudreau.
Eller tosses to the corner. Behind the net, Goodbranson finishing a check. Eller spun around, knocks down Werenski. Penguins have got it in the slot. Shot, save, rebound. Another stop. Elvis way out of the net empty. Penguins try to fire it there, but it's blocked by Voronkov.
Merzlikins here. Let's see what happens. He's locked in on this save. That puck pulls him out of the net. You can see now he gets drug out by the skates. And here, wow, Karlsson didn't like what he saw. Thought he could fake everyone out, but Voronkov stayed right with him. And the big man blocked that shot.
Raquel across the line, picked up. Malkin in the slot, off the goalpost. Karlsson is waiting on the near side. He'll get it here. Screen set in front of Merzlikins. Evgeny Malkin. Raquel back to Malkin. One-timer by Karlsson, and he scores! Penguins looking to set that up. Karlsson just waited there and then drills it home.
Malkin comes right out, and these guys go to work, and it's puck possession, and Raquel, he's looking for one guy, and it's Malkin. And how about Malkin there? He knows on the weak side he's got Erik Karlsson as wide as you can possibly be. Look how backed off he is. He's outside the dot.
Far side. Here, a pass and a breakaway. Moving in, and Elvis very calmly just plays that puck and holds.
Johnny's set out there now with Jenner and Laine. I like this move. Get Johnny going out there with the big ball.
Ample opportunity here for the Blue Jackets to tie it up. Danforth works hard, sends it ahead, save Jarry, rebound, scores! Alexander Texier on the rebound. It's tied at 3.
And it's all three guys on a line change here as they come on with speed. The Blue Jackets, Werenski's got possession, and he gets it to the right guy, and it's his speed up the ice of Danforth right there. Little chip, now it's compete, and you can see all three guys involved. As Kuraly gets it, Texier's trusting on the weak side, but Danforth with two guys on him gets it to Sean Kuraly, and then it's just
5 shots for the Blue Jackets on the power play.
Yeah, some really good looks from Laine, Fantilli, Jenner, Goodrow.
Gensel, Crosby into the slot, comes up high. This one drilled, scores! Penguins, after killing off the penalty, come back again and have regained the lead on a bullet of a shot.
Crosby's going to make this play in one motion. You see, Merzlikins here has to respect that. He tries to get set for this play, and what a pass. I mean, it's just an incredible play. We see Kreider do this all the time, but Crosby's going to come around the backside. Karlsson waits for him, times it perfectly, and that's a tough play to save for Elvis Merzlikins. It's a ramp play.
Here's Laine. Long shot, blocked. It's out of the zone. Hustling to it as Severson gets there ahead of Rust. Well into the final minute. On here for Laine, gets away from him. Rust to Crosby, and there it is, the hat-trick goal. 16th career hat-trick. Second career-wise against the Blue Jackets. The Hats are coming out of the stands, and the Penguins lead by 2.
There's a play by Laine. Here goes Severson. He just wants to get that past that layer, and here he can't do it. It's the Nissan move of the game as the Hats are coming down here in Columbus. And from there, it's just this play that goes off that stick of Patty Laine. Not a great pass, but a great pass from Rust. He knows where Crosby is. He wants him to get a hat trick. And Rust just says, here, Sid.
That'll do it. 5-3 the final. Pittsburgh win it.